Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Flippin' Teacher. We're going on a trip today. We are headed to a town about an hour away from where we live. There is a dining set that I am very interested in. I've seen some other people flip. We're on the way to get it. All right, we are pulling up now to pick up this dining set. It might be a little bit hard to see in the dark.
There's nothing wrong with it. We just moved into the house and
It was here, you had it.
The little old lady, she left it here for us because she couldn't take it.
Oh my God.
And so she had these chairs all redone. I mean, they're not.
I'm so excited because that was $30 for 6 chairs with cane backs. One of them does have a slight hole in it, but I think it'll be okay. And then the table's in perfect condition and it even came with a leaf. So I can't wait to get this home and start working on it. So we got the dining set inside. I'm super pumped about this project. I've been looking and looking for these. I ended up finding this on Facebook Marketplace. My plan with these chairs is to be pretty simple as of right now. I'm really just gonna clean them up and change out the cushion covers. So I'm just gonna get some new fabric and then reupholster them, recover them to make them a little bit more modern. And as far as the table goes, my plan right now is to just leave it as is. It's in really great shape. There's no scratches or marks. Basically, all we're gonna do is be looking what's under these cushion covers. So it looks like they were reupholstered kind of recently. I'm gonna reupholster them again. I'm super interested to see what's under this fabric, to see if it's the original or to see what in the world is going on. So we're gonna figure it out. That's tightening it. Make sure your drill's going the right way. Looks like it's been stapled and glued. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, peel up these staples. So this might take a while. Ooh, it's green. See if we can get this off. I don't know about it. Okay, here we go. Oh my. Okay. They're definitely ugly. So they are tufted, I believe is the word. That means that they're like buttoned down in the middle and they have creases. That kind of makes me want to replace the whole cushion because I don't really like the tufted look. But I'm gonna get them all off, think about it, see how much the cushions are, see how much the fabric is. They are all off. I started out prying them with the screwdriver, but that was taking forever, so then I ended up just grabbing and yanking all the staples out. Sorry if you like these beautiful cushion covers, but I think I am gonna get rid of them. Our next step is go to JoAnn's, get some fabric, and figure out what we're gonna do with these. Still figuring out if I'm gonna leave them tufted or if I'm going to not leave them tufted, because to me, I don't want to, but other people might like it. I also can't tuft, so basically if I recover them, they have to go over that. So I'm assuming I'm gonna have to just replace everything, but we'll see. Man down. Oops, I filled the trash can. The last thing we gotta do before we hit the store is to measure how much cushions and fabric. 16 deep and it's 18.5. But I'm gonna do the math to do that times 6 to see how many yards I'll need, how many cushions I'll need, and so on. So. This is so soft. It's velvet. I was thinking of doing orange, but this color always gets me too, so I think we're gonna go with the blue. Have them help me figure out how much I need. I was not really planning on doing cushions for them, but since the tufted and the oldness and the it's so close to being enough, but I need another 0.75. 6 feet times 12 divided by 16. I can get, yeah, 4.5, that makes sense. So I need them to take 6 inches off that so I don't have to pay for it, and then I'll buy that. That saved me a whole bunch of time. Well, doorbusters and coupons saved us about $55. It was still a little bit more pricey than I was anticipating. However, I think that I can get a pretty good profit still. So right now we are in at about 110. All right, made it back home. Love it already. And then I just want to check and test real fast. I just got to put that on there. The main part was that it was wide enough. That was the only kind of stinky part, is I'll be cutting off the good 6 inches of each side. So this will have to do. Okay, one down. It just took me about 10 minutes to get these cushions all cut to the right size. So the next step is I'm gonna glue them down before I cut the velvet. This is gonna actually need some pressure on it because it's a curved seat. So I'm gonna need to put some pressure. They dried. They are nice and curved after sitting in a stack for probably 5 days. The thing with these cushions is that I couldn't quite get it to line up right. So I'm gonna be taking a bread knife, I'm gonna try it, and cut this cushion around so that the cushion is fitted to the seat itself. I'm aware that there's probably other tools that I could be using for this. However, I don't do this very often yet, so I'm just gonna stick with the utensils that I have. And also I want to be completely transparent in saying that this is one of the first times that I've ever done this, so if I'm not doing it right, we'll just see the outcome at the end. Alright, one down. It is nice and flush. Got them all shaped pretty nicely. Now I'm gonna lay out the fabric and we are gonna get to cutting to size so that we can go ahead and staple them on. It's about 28 this way by 21 this way. And I'm gonna grab the cushion we're gonna lay it down. Hopefully I did the math right. So there's the finished cushion. That's cushion number 1. But I'm pretty impressed with how that turned out. So now that I got the fabric on all of the cushions and those are all ready to go, I've got to now attach them to the chrome part of the chairs. Super excited how these are turning out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down everything about the chairs. Now that I've got everything all cleaned up and finished up, I am gonna go ahead and stage this bad boy. Alright, so I ended up posting the dining set for $330. I was kind of unsure because I've never really seen anything like that around my area. I had a couple inquiries. One person just wanted the table, but that was the first person, so I really wanted to make sure that I kept the set together. The people are on their way now. They are going to check it out, so I'm going to get it all staged up for them to see, and then hopefully they take it away.
Cool, well thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Just let me know as soon as you can. He is going to show his wife some of the photos that he took. Hopefully we'll hear by tonight if he wants it or not. Well, long story short, that guy didn't end up ever responding to me. Actually, he lowballed me for $200, so I couldn't accept that because that was barely more than I paid for the materials. So the next person never responded to me either, and then lo and behold, I get a message on Facebook Marketplace about 2 weeks after I posted it, and boom, someone was super interested. She Venmo'd me already, so we're just waiting for her to come and pick up this new table and chairs for her house. And now it's time for our favorite part, the numbers talk. If you remember, I got this for $30 off of Facebook Marketplace, and we ended up traveling an hour to get this. So an hour there and an hour back. We'll give that about $20 in gas money plus the time. We'll say $50 for the product and to get it. Let's talk about the materials. The materials that I got were the cushions, foam, and the material to cover the seats. So that all costs about $90. So $50 plus $90 is $140. And then I am selling this set for $300. I had it listed for $330. So $300 minus the $140 for everything included would give me a total of $160 profit. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm glad that this thing is going to a new home. I love how it turned out. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Hope you found some tricks. If you did, be sure to get subscribed below. Like this video by tapping that thumb up. Follow me on Instagram at Furniture Flipping Teacher. And as always, see you on the flip side.